No, I didn't fart. It was Mandy.
No, I didn't fart.
It was Mom.
Mom! Mom!
But did you fart?
No, I didn't fart. It was Mandy.
It was not Mandy, it was Grandma. Grandma farted.
You.
It was you!
No,
It was you!
No, it was not.
1, 2, 3. Oh. Dang, that leg doesn't want to stay up. Oh. Alright, I think I got it. Why do you step on it? That's probably why it won't stay up. He's waiting for me to... Just out of curiosity, do you do this with your other grandmothers? Just curious, do you? It's ridiculous, Aiden. You're gonna breathe your nose in.